This is Audiobeak and we're looking at the Atom piano roll. We're going to take a quick look at the record controls and we'll start off with loop record. So you arm loop record like so and you'll press playback in your host. In this case we're using AUM and I can start hitting notes however I like, and as you can see it will loop around and carry on recording. One thing you'll notice that when you enter your notes, the actual display of the grid itself will fit what you're actually doing. So I'm going to overdub some extra notes up here now, and then we'll overdub some extra notes down here, and as you can see the display is zooming out and fitting nicely. That's how the record loop works. It just continually overdubs while you're in loop. So we'll stop that for now and we'll turn off loop record. We're going to use our select control, our select tool I should say, to select all the notes and delete them like so. We're going to make sure that our cursor is back at 0. We're going to turn on the step input, and then the step input works like any usual step input. So when I insert a note, it's going to insert a note at the current grid size. So we get a 16th like that. Now the next note I enter is also going to be at the grid size. So we'll change the grid size just so we can see that. We'll change it up to an 1/8. We're going to enter a different note now, like so, and we'll bring our grid size up to a 1/2, enter another note, and we'll go back down to 16 and we'll enter some 16s again, and that's the step input. Once you've inputted your notes, you can move them around, you can edit them if you want to, do anything you like. That's the step input. That was your record controls, and we'll see you on the next video.